Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Latch Alpha. I have two colors to show you. One is a non-polarized version and the other one is a polarized. Let's dive in and look at the non-polarized first. So the first one I have to show you, the code is OO4128, that's the model, and the color code is -0253. Technically the color code is only 0253 would be the lens width. Like here, the information 5319, that's 53mm lens width, 19mm bridge width. With the lens, it's going to be the torch Iridium. This is what I like to see, a case. So like always, the Oakley warranty booklet is included. So I think this is called the Oakley Volt case. It's probably the toughest case. I'm not sure if it's actually carbon fiber or made to look like it. I think it is carbon fiber, but you know, it's tough. Nothing's gonna. It's strong. And then this like the rubber Oakley logo. It's a very hardy case. So inside, what we get. So it's a nice soft material inside to protect your glasses. So what you get inside is the sunglasses and this the cloth bag pouch case. So like I mentioned before, this is the matte silver, very nice looking. The temples are kind of like this this rubber material, very comfy, and very cool looking Oakley logo on the sides with the Oakley O and a nice like a deep red, like a shiny deep red. So with the sticker here, it says it's, you know, if there's a tick on the P, that means it's polarized. This one is not polarized. The RX, pretty much everything is RXable. So with the material, it's gonna be, I think they call it, it's like aluminum with the unobtainium material. It's like a lightweight metal. Even though it's more lightweight, it is slightly on the heavier side. So with the lenses, they call it the torch Iridium. So, you know, it's like a red mirror on the front. But not every angle, it's not always red mirror. When it hits the light, it's going to be red mirror. And then the lenses are kind of like this like grayish blue. Then it features some nice rubber nose pads here, and this part, you know, you can adjust it to your liking. You know, if you have a big nose, you can make it wider. You can, if you have a small nose, make it smaller. But always be careful trying to adjust these. Don't do too much because, you know, it is a thin metal piece and it can break. I mean, definitely the temples are going to be really comfortable. It's a really comfortable material, and it'll help grip your face much better. I didn't actually play around with it, but it is an interesting hinge design. I think if I push this enough, I think it would just pop out. I think. I don't know if you guys know. Let me know. I don't know everything. So on the left temple, it reads Latch Alpha on the side and USA assembled. See, I never get USA assembled. Is it made in the USA or just I guess just assembled? On the right temple, it's gonna read the model number OO4128-0253. So with the sizing, you know what? I'll explain the sizing in the next frame. So this is the non-polarized lenses. Alright, so let's look at the other ones. So this one, camera focus. So this is the Latch Alpha in the matte like gunmetal frame with the lenses Prizm Sapphire Polarized. With this, with the code is going to be the OO4128-0453. Also in the same size, is on technically only one size, and I'll explain the size shortly. Also comes with, you know, the booklet, the same case, same everything. So this particular one is the matte gunmetal. It is a light gunmetal. It's very close to silver, but you know, it's still kind of gunmetal. So on the side it's going to be the black rubber, and the Oakley icon here is going to be black, matte black. So this piece is like metal as well. So like I mentioned with the material, like it is, you know, being metal is still very lightweight, but it is kind of, I mean, it's a little heavy. You know, it's definitely heavier than a plastic frame. Also comes with the same nose pads and everything. So with the sizes, the lenses is going to be the Prizm Sapphire Polarized. So at some angles it looks like a bluish purple. And then the lenses are kind of like this, how would I describe it? Like a brownish red? Or like a greenish red? So with the sizes, the lens width, so from here to here is going to be 53 millimeters. The lens, the bridge width is 19 millimeters. The lens height is 45 millimeters, and the temple length is from here to here is going to be 142 millimeters. With the sizing, I probably should have tried it on. Oh yeah, it fits nice. It's definitely on the larger side, so if you have a big head, these will probably be good. Fits pretty comfortable. I mean, definitely if you have a medium head, it's still gonna fit pretty good, but you know, this is on the larger side. These are men's frames. I mean, women can wear whatever they want if they wanted to, but you know, technically it was made for men. I do have to say about this, the cost of these, it's probably their most expensive glasses I've seen. Like the Polarized version retails for $313, and the non-polarized, the first one I showed you, is going to be $273. So definitely it's on the higher end. So you know, if you have the money to spend, you know, these are very well made frames, high quality. I don't think you will be disappointed, but definitely it's probably the most expensive Oakleys I've seen so far. Also on the Polarized, it's gonna read, it says Prizm P on the lenses. I'm not sure if you can see that right there. And the sticker showing it's a Polarized, it's RXable, I think it's a Prizm lens. Alright, so I mean, if you guys are wanting this, definitely it's on the higher end. It costs more, but you know, you get what you pay for. It is a very nice, well-made frame. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that like button and also subscribe. Have a good day, guys.